Presenting Axon Encryptor, the safest and easiest way to protect your custom Axon code. If you are managing a client SkySpark installation or are otherwise distributing your own SkySpark extension, then Axon Encryptor will help protect your custom Axon code. Axon source code is distributed in plain text. This means anyone can read it, copy and publicly share your code repeatedly. You thereby lose control of your hard work and intellectual property. To counter this, Axon Encryptor takes your Axon source code and encrypts it, protecting your code from being read by prying eyes. Simple, right? So how does it work? There are many ways to encrypt your Axon functions, Trio files, and SkySpark extensions. One such way is to use the handy Axon Encryptor SkySpark app. Simply open the app and copy-paste your Axon source code into the panel on the left. Click Encrypt, and voila! You receive encrypted Axon code in the panel on the right. There are many other ways to encrypt your Axon code too. Use dedicated Axon functions, phantom build tasks, or even the command line to incorporate the encryption process into your build scripts. It even has some cross-compatibility with our Pod Builder extension, so if you have both extensions enabled in the same SkySpark project, then they can work seamlessly together, encrypting your Axon functions as part of the pod building process. Code that has been encrypted cannot be decrypted, as there's no decryptor tool. This ensures total security, as the original source code will never be revealed to the user. To run your code, the end user will need to install Axon Encryptor Runtime. The runtime library understands the encrypted source code and executes it as normal Axon. By integrating your encrypted Axon functions with StackHub license files, Axon Encryptor also enables you to restrict when and where your code is used. By requiring a StackHub license file to execute your code, it ensures code can only be run with your permission. Axon Encryptor is available now for purchase on StackHub. Protect yourself and don't let others steal your hard work.